Techno is easy. I'm gonna teach you how to make a techno track like that one. It's kind of easy. We are gonna go over all of the core elements of a techno track and all the small important details that can turn a bland techno track into a banger. In under 12 minutes, you'll be a pro at making techno. I set the BPM to 145. We're gonna start with the kick. Can't have a techno track without a proper kick. This is the sample I chose. Just right click it and choose fill each 4 steps. But to make it even harder, we are gonna put some effects on it. I'm gonna put in EQ and boost the high frequencies, so it has more of that click. And I'm also gonna use a simple fruity fast distortion to make it a bit distorted. This could work by itself, but if you wanna take it one step further, you can also layer it with another kick that has that techno rumble in it, which I'm gonna do, but we don't want two kicks fighting against each other. So what we are gonna do is sidechain the second kick. So I'm just gonna put Kickstart plugin on it. You can use Grossbeat or anything else. And now the initial hit of the kick will be sidechained, so you cannot really hear it. So before, after, now we just have more of that rumble in there. The kicks together sound like this. Sorry, neighbors. Anyways, can you guess what is the second thing we need to go along with the kick? It's the bass. We want an offbeat bass. I'm using this one from Serum. It's from my sample pack VELION, and what I did here is added an LFO and connected it to the filter cutoff right here. Then we got this pumping effect. It has that nice attack. So in piano roll, I created this simple melody for the bass. If you have a different preset, you might want to do an offbeat bass like this one, right? So it's offbeat. But if you set it up in Serum, the offbeat bass is created with the LFO. So you can do long notes like these ones. Let's put it in the playlist. And at this point, the techno track is almost ready, right? Now let's turn our focus on the cymbals. Sounds like a mundane thing, but they are quite important. First, I'm gonna add these hi-hats. We have this close hi-hat with fruity panomatic on it, so it pans from left to right. And then we have an offbeat hi-hat. Very short and snappy. By the way, all of the samples and presets I'm using today are from my sample pack VELION, which you can get in the description below. Use the code ARCADE15 to get $15 off. Then I'm gonna layer it with some rides. I have this ride with quite a lot of reverb and delay on it. So we have reverb with long decay and delay set up like this. So we use this as an effect. The rhythm is like this. You can also use the graph editor to make some of them lower in velocity. So that's a really nice background effect to create that whole atmosphere of a techno track, the dark ambient atmosphere. I also layered it with some claps at the end, like these fill claps. You can hear they are also panned from left to right. So just go to graph editor and panning. Last but not least is this percussion loop. Very nice, it's sort of rising in volume and then going down and then rising again. That creates this tension in the whole track. Don't be afraid to use some loops as well to fill out some of the space in your song. So the cymbals can be a very overlooked element of a techno track, but they do add a lot. Now let's add some tonal effects. Again, kind of overlooked, but very important to build the base of your techno track. I'm using a few sounds here. This techno screech, a classic. Again, it's from my sample pack VELION, and this light acid bass. And what we got is this simple fill. So in the first repetition we have this, and in the second one we change it up a little bit with 2 screeches, and that's it. You don't have to overdo it. This simple thing works wonders. Last tonal effect we have is this effect screech. very dark and eerie, and I just use that at the end of every 4 bars. But you can hear it sounds a bit different, and that's because I put Grossbeat on it with a trance gate. And Grossbeat is a great FL Studio plugin for that. So we are off to a good start. Last few effects I'm gonna show you are the simple ones, like down sweeps and up sweeps. Which is a down sweep, we have an up sweep, and we have this long down sweep as well, just to add some noise into the whole drop. This white noise will fill out a lot of those frequencies and it will sound a lot more powerful. So once you have this bass ready, the rest is actually easier. So I'm just gonna duplicate this with Ctrl B, and we are gonna add in the melody. And for the melody, I have this sound. You probably recognize this sound from a couple of songs. You know, that one. So the melody I've created looks like this. Pretty basic, I know, but you don't need complex melodies for techno. What's important is the effects that I put on it. So again, Kickstart plugin to sidechain it, so it's gonna be pumping. Then we have Grossbeat, again with the trance gate, which is gonna chop it up a little bit. And then we have some reverb, just to give it some more atmosphere. With these effects, it sounds like this. But to make the drop bigger and to make it more obvious that this is the main drop, we are also going to add one more layer to the whole offbeat bass. So the sound that I've added is this one. And the melody is the same as the bass, but you can see I made it offbeat. Very gritty bass, very distorted bass. So we don't have any low frequencies in this layer. It only focuses on the mid and high frequencies. So with that one, it sounds like this. So the drop is nice, but it will sound even better in the context of the whole track. You gotta take away something before the drop and then add it in the drop. And that's gonna happen in the arrangement. But before the arrangement, let me show you the vocal that I've added. So I used Suno, I created the lyrics, and it generated this vocal.
Get me in the flow, get me on the flow, get me in the flow, get me on the flow.
Very basic, I know, but it adds a lot of character to the whole thing. And I really do like this oh. So I took that and created a separate sample from it. So I can use that later in the song as well. And at the beginning, the vocal sounds like this.
Walk with me, drift with me.
And as I mentioned, I took the O's and used them later in the track as well, in this way. So the vocal is optional, but using some vocal effects at least adds a lot. So the last thing I want to show you is the whole arrangement, which is really important because, as I said, you want to take away something in the beginning of the track and add it in the whole drop. So the listener hears the contrast between the main drop and the lighter part of the track. So here is the entire track, and I'm going to show you how I arranged it. Starting with the kick and the bass, the cymbals and effects, but only using one note of the bass. So instead of having the bass melody right off the bat, we just have this one note playing throughout. So that's gonna be the intro. I also created some cymbal fills right here. So make sure to include some fills in there, in the transitions, so the listener knows that it is the transition to another section. The second section is the kick and the bass and the vocal. We also introduce the bass melody now. Then we have another transition, again with the cymbals. And also, if you noticed, also the kick plays the transition as well, like this. so don't be afraid to use the kick as a fill. And then we move on to the drop. The main section, the melody, the harder offbeat bass, it's gonna start right here. Awesome. And then we repeated the drop again, but this time also with the ad-libs of the vocal. Again, you want to repeat the drop, but add something extra. And that is it. That is all the elements of Techno. If you want to grab this FLP file, it will be included in the VELION Pack. And all of the samples and presets I've used today are from the VELION Pack, which is a huge EDM pack. So check it out. Link is below. Use the code ARCADE15 to get $15 off. And if you would like to get more, you can also get staple access, which will get you access to all of the packs on our platform, including this one. And all of the new packs we are going to release in the future will be yours for free. So if you are interested, link is below. Now let's have a listen to the finished result. Enjoy!
Wow.